Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I went ahead and created this matte fade cut crease look. I just sat down, started recording, and this is what I came up with. So if y'all like it and y'all want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Ready? Okay. Go team. If you know that movie, you're a real one. My ramen noodle. No se quemó mi ramen. We're all good in the hood. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna go into my Benefit Dip Brow. I use this shade 4.5 and I'm gonna use this to fill in my brows. Okay, so now taking my Morphe concealer in the shade C 1.65. I like to go ahead and just apply this all over the lid because I will use this to clean up the brow, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it as an eyeshadow base. Using an eyeshadow base before you apply your eyeshadow is very important because it gives the eyeshadow a place to sit on. It's not just on your skin, and it definitely allows it to last longer. So going in with my translucent powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and set above the crease. I'm not really gonna set the lid because I'm gonna go in later on with more concealer to cut the crease. Taking my Morphe 35M palette, the first shade I'm gonna go into is this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just focus this color on the outer corner. And then I'll slowly begin to start blending it inwards. Now taking this shade right here, I'm gonna go ahead and use this to just blend out this brown a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go into this chocolate brown right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and darken up the outer corner. Going back in with the shade that I was using before, I'm gonna go ahead and use this to blend this out a little bit more. I'm just going in back and forth with the dark chocolate brown and then the lighter brown and just blending everything out. I want to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines, and I just want these two colors to blend in naturally together. I'm going to take some concealer on my super flat concealer brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just cut the crease. So when cutting the crease, I like to go ahead and put concealer on my lid. Just like that, and I like to look up. When I look up, it marks exactly where it is that I need to cut the crease. So I begin by pressing my brush and pulling it down. Press and pull. I like to do this, guys, in soft little strokes. I don't like to go in and just do like a line because then the line can go crooked or whatever. So I like to just go ahead and do it slowly. Now when I get to this part, I just start buffing back and forth just so that I can make sure that the concealer blends into the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go back in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start feathering that at the end where the concealer ends, just like this. I'm applying very light pressure. I just want this to really blend in. Okay, so I'm gonna dip into my James Charles palette and take this shade right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this nude shade and I'm gonna go ahead and just press it in. And then I'll bring it out this way. And I'm just gonna pack it on. I'm not really gonna brush it. I'm just pushing it in. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline gel liner and I'm gonna go ahead and create a wing. So now I'm gonna go in with foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 124. For foundation today, I'm using my JH03 brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and buff this in. I like to apply my foundation first with a brush and then I go in with a beauty blender after. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Cover FX setting powder to go ahead and set my under eye. And I'm just gonna go ahead and press that into the skin. So I'm gonna go back into my eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna take this brown right here and I'm gonna start buffing this on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go into this chocolate brown right here. I'm gonna use this to darken up the lower lash line. So I really want to brighten up the inner corner, so I'm gonna use this pearly shade right here. I'm gonna place this right where the matte ends, so like right here, and I'm gonna bring it in this way. I'm using this Milani bronzer in the shade Sunkissed, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start bronzing up the face. Going in with the smaller bronzer, I'm just going to take a little bit of this shade in the Kat Von D palette and I'm going to go ahead and just lightly deepen up this contour. Using this same brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply it on the sides of the nose and under the lip. For blush, I think I'm going to go into this Patrick Star Take Me Home blush from MAC Cosmetics. I'm just going to use this light pink shimmer shade. I'm going to use my Dose of Colors Fuego highlight and I'm going to use this to highlight the high points of the face. Okay, so I went ahead and applied lashes and now I just need to do my lipstick. So for lips, I'm taking this Milani pencil and you can tell that I really use it because it's super tiny. It's in the shade Fuchsia. For lips, I'm using Strawberry by Dose of Colors. I'm just gonna set my face using my Morphe setting spray. Me bañé. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me play with makeup and just create this super natural but yet festive, bold lip. Let's get it. Perra mode. I'm a hot look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and hit the notification bell so that you guys can know every time that I post videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.